7 weight loss friendly chicken recipes. Hi, and welcome back to Healthy Bites. Are you looking to incorporate chicken into your weight loss journey? We have curated a collection of 7 weight loss friendly chicken recipes that are both delicious and nutritious. These recipes feature a variety of flavors and cooking methods to keep your taste buds satisfied while supporting your goals. These chicken dishes are packed with flavor and nutrients while being mindful of calorie content. So get ready to enjoy these satisfying and healthy chicken recipes that will support your weight loss journey. And number 1. Healthy salad with fruit, 410 calories. A healthy salad with fruit is a refreshing and nutritious option that can aid support your weight loss journey. This recipe combines crisp salad greens with a variety of colorful fruits, creating a vibrant and flavorful dish. The fruits provide natural sweetness and are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, while the lean chicken adds protein to help you satisfied. With its low-calorie count and nutrient-rich ingredients, this salad is a perfect choice for those seeking a balanced and delicious meals. Here are the specific ingredients for healthy salad with fruit. 2 cups mixed green greens, 1 cup sliced strawberries, 1 cup blueberries, 1/2 cup sliced grapes, 1/4 cup chopped almonds, 4 ounces grilled chicken breast sliced. For optional, 2 tablespoons of your favorite salad dressing. Here is the process for making healthy salad with fruit. Number 2. Burger recipe, 420 calories. A chicken burger recipe is a healthier alternative to traditional beef burgers that can aid in your weight loss journey. This recipe replaces fatty ground beef with lean chicken, reducing the overall calorie content while still providing a delicious and satisfying meal. Chicken is a good source of protein, which can help keep you full and support muscle growth and repair. By incorporating healthier ingredients and cooking methods, such as using whole wheat buns and grilling instead of frying, you can enjoy a flavorful burger that aligns with your weight loss goals. Here are the specific ingredients for chicken burger. 1 pound ground chicken, 1/4 cup breadcrumbs, 1/4 cup grated Parmesan cheese, 1/4 cup finely chopped onion, 1 clove garlic minced, 1 tablespoon chopped fresh parsley, 1 teaspoon dried oregano, salt and pepper to taste, whole wheat burger buns. For optional toppings, lettuce, tomatoes, avocado, low-fat cheese. Here is the process for making chicken burger. Number 3. Vegetable soup, 370 calories. Vegetable soup is a nutritious and a low-calorie option that can support your weight loss goals. Packed with a variety of vegetables, this soup is rich in vitamins, minerals, and fiber, helping you feel full and satisfied without consuming excess calories. By incorporating chicken broth as the base, you add flavor and a source of lean protein. Vegetable soup is highly customizable, allowing you to add favorite vegetables and seasonings. It is a comforting and nourishing option that can be enjoyed as a meal on its own or a side dish. Here are the specific ingredients for vegetable soup. 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 onion diced, 2 cloves garlic minced, 2 carrots peeled and diced, 2 celery stalks diced, 1 bell pepper diced, 2 cups chopped vegetables, 4 cups low-sodium chicken broth, 1 can diced tomatoes, 1 teaspoon dried herbs, salt and pepper to taste, fresh herbs for garnish. Here is the process for making vegetable soup. Hey guys, can you do me a big favor and give that like button some love? It would mean the world to me and help support our channel. While you're down there, why not hit subscribe too? Alright, let's go back to the number 4 food recipe. Number 4. cauliflower fried rice. 400 calories, cauliflower fried rice is a healthy and low-calorie alternative to traditional fried rice that can aid in your weight loss efforts. By replacing rice with finely chopped cauliflower, you significantly reduce the calorie and carbohydrate content while increasing the fiber and nutrient content. This dish is packed with vegetables and offers a good source of protein by incorporating chicken. It is a flavorful and satisfying option that allows you to enjoy the taste and texture of fried rice while keeping your calorie intake in check. Here are the specific ingredients for cauliflower fried rice. 1 head of cauliflower, 1 tablespoon oil, 1 cup diced chicken breast, 1 cup mixed vegetables such as carrots, peas, bell peppers, and green onions, 2 cloves garlic minced, 2 tablespoons low-sodium soy sauce, 1 tablespoon rice vinegar. For optional toppings, sesame seed, chopped green onions. Here is the process for making cauliflower fried rice. Number 5. Grilled lemon herb chicken. Green lemon herb chicken is a flavorful and healthy recipe that is perfect for weight loss. This dish combines the lean protein of chicken with the fresh flavors of lemon and herbs, creating a satisfying and nutritious meal. Chicken is a great source of protein, which helps keep you feeling full and supports muscle growth and repair. The addition of lemon and herbs adds a burst of flavor without adding excessive calories or fat. Grilling the chicken also reduces the need for added oils or fats. Enjoy this delicious and weight loss friendly recipe as a part of a balanced meal. Here are the specific ingredients for grilled lemon herb chicken. 2 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, juice of 2 lemons, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 2 garlic cloves minced, 1 teaspoon dried oregano, 1 teaspoon dried thyme, salt and pepper to taste. Here is the process for grilled lemon herb chicken. Number 6. Baked pesto chicken, 300 calories. Baked pesto chicken is a delicious and nutritious recipe that is perfect for weight loss. This dish combines lean chicken breasts with flavorful pesto sauce, creating a low-calorie and protein-packed meal. Chicken is an excellent source of high-quality protein, which helps boost metabolism, preserve muscle mass, and keep you feeling full. Pesto sauce made from fresh basil, garlic, pine nuts, Parmesan cheese, and olive oil adds a burst of flavor without adding excessive calories. Baking the chicken keeps it tender and juicy while reducing the need for additional fats or oils. Enjoy this flavorful and weight loss friendly recipe as part of a balanced meal. Here are the specific ingredients for baked pesto chicken. 4 boneless, skinless chicken breast, 1/2 cup basil pesto sauce, salt and pepper to taste. Number 7. Lemon herb chicken skewers, 250 calories. Lemon herb chicken skewers are a delicious and healthy option for weight loss. These skewers are packed with flavor from a combination of zesty lemon and aromatic herbs, while still being low in calories. Chicken is a lean source of protein, which is essential for muscle repair and growth, and it also helps you keep feeling full and satisfied. The marinade made with lemon juice, garlic, herbs, and a touch of olive oil adds a tangy and refreshing taste to the chicken. Grilling skewers give them a smoky flavor and helps to retain their juiciness. Enjoy this flavorful lemon herb chicken skewers as a nutritious and satisfying option for your weight loss journey. Here are the specific ingredients for lemon herbs chicken skewers. Here is the process for lemon herb chicken skewers. And that concludes our list of 7 weight loss friendly chicken recipes. Do you happen to know any friendly chicken recipes that we haven't listed? Feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. This way, you'll be always up to date on the best and healthiest foods available. In every bite, a taste of health and delight. And that is Healthy Bites. Bye!